Online surveys and market research turn opinions into earnings. Welcome to Business with Joe. Today, we're diving deep into the world of online surveys, focus groups, and market research studies. If you've ever wondered how to make money by sharing your opinions, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Online surveys and market research can be a fantastic way to earn extra income. Here are some valuable tips and strategies to maximize your earnings. Diversify your survey sources. Sign up for multiple survey platforms to access a variety of opportunities. Some popular options include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Complete your profile. Ensure your survey profile is up to date. Survey providers use this information to match you with relevant surveys, increasing your chances of qualification. Stay consistent. Set a schedule for taking surveys. Consistency can lead to more invitations and higher earnings over time. Refer friends. Some survey sites offer referral programs. Encourage friends and family to join, and you'll earn a bonus for each referral. Cash out strategically. Keep an eye on the minimum payout threshold and cash out your earnings when you're eligible. This helps you avoid losing money if a platform unexpectedly changes its terms. Join focus groups. Participate in focus groups or market research studies. These often pay more for your time and opinions. Engage with trusted sites. Be cautious of online survey scams. Stick to well-established and reputable survey websites to ensure you're compensated fairly for your input. And there you have it. Online surveys and market research can be a fun and rewarding way to make money from the comfort of your own home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into making money online. Thanks for watching, and here's to turning your opinions into earnings.